It's time for Nutrition Weekly, brought to you by our great friends at United Supermarkets. I'm Chad Hasty, and in studio with me right now, corporate dietitian for the United family of stores, it's Brenda Garcia. Hey, Brenda.
Hey, how are you?
Doing great. How are you?
Good. Are y'all ready for the Christmas season?
It's we better be. It's almost here.
This is like go time for everybody. It's like, that clock is ticking. We've got all kinds of stuff going on. Listen, I have something to talk about. I've talked about it as much as I can because I'm so excited. It's kind of like the greatest thing since sliced bread, I think. So it's some of our meal solutions. And, we've talked about the ready meals. So you have, ready to eat, ready to heat, and ready to cook. So one of the new additions are the crock pot meals.
Ooh.
All right. So these come in a bag, and it's kind of a little black bag, and it's got a clear window, and you can look in there, and it has your meat and your veggies and then rice, some of them. And we have a variety of them. You literally just go buy the bag, take it home. You can put it straight in your crock pot or put it in the fridge, and then in the morning, get up, put it in there. In the bag, put the lid on, press start, and then come home later, and dinner is ready to go. You pull it out of the crock pot. You don't even have to wash the crock pot.
Wow.
And you know what's the best part about them? Is that they taste delicious.
Wow.
And they're made right there. It is something you can just grab, go, feel good about eating. Like, we have a turkey breast one. It's got cauliflower and sweet potatoes, and those vegetables soak up the juices and the flavor. Amazing. You can even serve that for your Christmas dinner.
Yeah.
If you would like. There's a roast, there's short ribs, there's all kinds of stuff. I have tried them all to personally make sure I'm telling you that it is delicious. So you're welcome. I did my research.
Right.
But it is good, and it's something you can feel good about. You don't have to go through and eat maybe food that maybe you're not used to eating, or just go through a lane or something like that. It's foods you can feel good about putting on the table.
So crock pot meals to go.
Yes, it's right there in our ready meal section. So all of our stores that have ready meals have those. Go look for them. Grab one, try them. You're going to be excited.
Sounds great. Thanks, Brenda.
Uh-huh.